Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing how you can fix calls on your iPhone going straight to voicemail. The first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings center and turn do not disturb off. The second thing that you can try doing is toggling airplane mode on and off, which resets all your network settings. The third thing that you can do is head over to settings, scroll down to apps, scroll down to find phone, scroll down to find unknown callers, and tap on never. You can also check if call forwarding is on to the phone settings. For that, you need to head over to call forwarding, tap on the SIM that you're using, and make sure that call forwarding is toggled off. You can also try resetting your network settings. For that, you need to head over to settings, tap on general, search for transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and tap on reset network settings. This will reset all network settings and may prevent any calls from being blocked or forwarded. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.